So doing arm work in Pilates is so important for people that really want to use and work on building strength in their upper body, but are having issues with weightlifting. So weightlifters are a big population of people that really benefit from Pilates. And the reason that this is important is because using your arms without coordinating with your core is why people wind up injured. So in Pilates, when we're doing movements simple like this, it's not that the arms have to be heavy, but you have to train your core to be engaged to support the work that your arms are doing. So that as you add the spring, it's not your poor little shoulder joint that's doing all the work. It's your core that is supporting all of that weight. And then you can just get into all sorts of movement. There's lots of great things to do, but you've got to start by understanding the mechanics.